This alert is from the Everglades. We have reported a strange animal lurking in your neighborhood. This strange-looking thing is an unknown type of robot. This robot is called a Rackbot. A Rackbot is a robot that attacks people. This robot has been spotted by the police and the federal government. The Rackbot killed 900 people each day, decreasing the amount of people on Earth. People have been trying to stop it, but it killed them instead. This robot is so dangerous that you should avoid it. Warning message from the NATO government. This Rackbot is actually a Ukrainian robot that is going to fight in America. This robot can't be destroyed. The Rackbot looks like it has a grizzly suit, but it's not. It's a protective layer. Well, there are reports of their loved ones dead. This robot can be defeated by professionals. The Rackbot is dangerous and evil.